Have you ever had that someone bought a property and the property belonged to someone else? Or government demolished the property because it wasn't verified? Sadly, this happens daily in Nigeria. I am Olayiwola Fagboyegun. I'm a registered Estate Surveyor Valuer. In this video, I will be sharing 7 costly mistakes that people make when buying a property and how they can avoid them. So if you are planning to buy property this year or next year, ensure that you watch this video to the very end because it can save you millions of naira or dollars. Mistake number 1, buying property because it's cheap. Yes, you heard me well. Buying property because it's cheap. Don't just buy property because it's cheap. Cheap properties doesn't mean the property is a good investment. So always ask yourself, why is it cheap? Sometimes there's hidden legal issues that you are not aware of. So be careful when you're buying property just because it's cheap. Mistake number 2 that people make when buying property or buying land is not carrying out a proper due diligence. What did I mean by that? Always verify ownership. Check the document properly. Confirm the seller has the legal right to sell such property. Not every property that is introduced to you that is a good investment. Mistake number 3 that people make is ignoring government acquisition. Ignoring government acquisition can cost you millions of naira or dollars. Some land are under government acquisition. So buying such land may result in losing your investment. Always verify before you make payments. Ensure that you verify documentation. Verify if the land is under government acquisition. Verify ownership of such property before you pay. 4th mistake that people make is not engaging professionals. Not engaging professionals. Professionals are there to help you verify, confirm the ownership of the property, ensure that the property belongs to the seller, ensure that the property is not under government acquisition. So many rely on agents, quack agents, roadside agents, instead of engaging Estate Surveyor Valuer, the property lawyers, or asset surveyors to verify property lands that has survey plan and other documents. The cost of professional advice is less than the cost of correcting a mistake that you find yourself in. Number 5 mistake that people make is paying before inspecting a land or property. So never rely on picture or video. Ensure that you visit the site. Confirm the accessibility. Check the surrounding development. 6th mistake that people make is ignoring documentation. Ensure documents are properly prepared and executed. Important documents when you're buying a property includes survey plan, deed of assignment, certificate of occupancy, C of O, when it's applicable, or governor consent when it's applicable also. 7 mistakes that people make when buying a land or the property. It's buying because your friend recommended it. Every buyer situation is different. So carry out your whole independent verification. Never invest based solely on emotion. Because my friend said, because it was introduced by my relation. Don't invest by emotion. Ensure you carry out your proper verification. Buying a property in Nigeria require due diligence. And we have people, professionals, that can ensure that these things are well done. So we have Estate Surveyors and Valuer. They are set of people that you can hold accountable if anything goes wrong when you buy. In conclusion, buying land can be a very good investment. Best investment you can ever do if you make it right. Only when you do it in the right way. If you don't do it in the right way, it could be the costliest mistake you ever made. So ensure that you carry out the proper diligence when you buy a property. Engage professionals to carry out these information on your behalf. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I am Olayiwola Fagboyegun. On this channel, I will be helping Nigerians buying, selling, investing in property with confidence. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.